Hi, I am Hernan Lozano, and this is my reading test. Why do birds sing? Why do birds sing? You might assume that birds sing because they are happy. Why birds might be happy? They sing in order to communicate. One reason they sing is to stake a claim on territory. Birds sing to warn other birds to stay off their property. For example, a robin might stake a claim on a piece of land which measures about 200 feet wide by 200 feet long. This amount of land provides enough warmth for the robin to feed its family. A bird maintains singing perches around the outside edges of its territory. The perches are high in the trees, so other birds can see and hear it. Birds also sing to find a mate. The length and complexity of the mating song gives information about the fitness of the bird. Healthy birds can sing longer, more complicated songs. Birds call to one another in short vocalizations in order to warn of danger and to locate one another. Birds sing instinctively. Young birds learn to perfect their songs by listening to adult birds and interacting with other birds. Birds in a local area might learn variations in the basic song which help them recognize other members of the group.